Looking to eat more and weigh less? Well, you may want to consider following the Volumetrics Diet, which emphasizes eating a high volume of food with fewer calories. Here's a recipe that can help you do that. In this video, you will learn how to make a delicious, refreshing side that fits into the Volumetrics Diet plan and can be made in under 30 minutes. The Volumetric Diet emphasizes more fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins versus higher calorie foods. The point is to eat more and weigh less. This plan focuses on lower calorie whole foods, less processed foods, and does not require weighing and measuring. So it won't drive you crazy. This Thai Zucchini Noodle Bowl we'll be making today is plant-based, completely vegan, and has enough pizzazz to add some spice to that midweek hump, where there is typically nothing left in the refrigerator or pantry, and where most people end up eating cereal or a sleeve of crackers for dinner. Hit the like button if you feel you need inspiration for a side that has great flavor and will not compromise your quest for healthy eating and weight management. So without further ado, let's get started with this zesty Thai Zucchini Noodle Bowl. was that? Consider doubling this recipe so you have enough to eat throughout the week. Just make sure you reserve the dressing and add it right before you're ready to serve this. You can also adjust the amount of soy sauce or tamari in order to reduce the amount of sodium or salt in this recipe. Also, if you don't want the richness of the peanut butter, then consider adding half the amount and thinning it out with a little bit of water. And remember, this is a great recipe that you can easily make during the week or even the weekend. So I hope you enjoyed this video and are inspired to make this delicious vegan recipe. And remember to hit the subscribe button in order to access great recipes and content like this that is geared to manage your weight peacefully without the diets. Do it. You have everything to gain and nothing to lose.